Hi everyone, welcome to Wonder World. Welcome to our journey through the wonders of Sigiriya, Sri Lanka. Sigiriya, Sri Lanka, a breathtaking testament to ancient ingenuity and natural beauty. Located in the heart of Sri Lanka, Sigiriya rises dramatically from the surrounding plains, a monolithic rock fortress that has captivated travelers for centuries. Its most iconic feature, the Lion's Gate, guards the entrance to this ancient citadel. Once you pass through these colossal pores, you're transported back to the 5th century during the reign of King Kasyapa. As you ascend the rock, marvel at the vivid frescoes that adorn the walls, the Sigiriya damsels. These ancient paintings, delicately preserved, offer a glimpse into the artistic prowess of the era. Walking alongside the mirror wall etched with poetry and reflections of those who once wandered here, you sense the spiritual and cultural significance that Sigiriya held for its inhabitants. Finally reaching the summit, you're greeted by the ruins of King Kasyapa's palace, a testament to architectural innovation and strategic brilliance. From here, the panoramic views of the surrounding landscape are simply awe-inspiring. Descending through the water gardens with their intricate fountains and pools, you witness how the ancient architects seamlessly integrated nature with human creativity, an early example of sustainable living. As the sun sets over Sigiriya, casting a golden hue on its ancient walls, take a moment to reflect on the legacy of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, a place where history, art and nature converge in perfect harmony. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Sigiriya, Sri Lanka. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts below. Until next time, explore the wonders of our world with us.